Today I'm gonna make a very classic synth patch. So let's get started. First of all, I want to change the shape. Oh, by the way, this is the default patch. Then I want to change it to square wave. I want to do it in the oscillator menu. Press 1. By the way, those buttons corresponds to 8 parameters in each pages. So this time I want to change the oscillator shape. So I click this button and then change the parameter by turning the dial. So right now it's a square, and then so let's change the filter type. So to do it, go to the other page, other sub mode, and then the default is a 2-pole, and then set it to the 4-pole non-linear. It's same, but if you change the filter cutoff to do it, shift this button, the VCF, and then change this curve. Also, there is a shortcut. The press here, and then turn the dial. The same thing. And then let's add some taste. I mean the resonance. Leave about the 58. And let's set envelope to go envelope, shift, and this one, envelope 1, 2. And then I wanna make this slow attack, and then the slow release too. Okay, and then so let's change voice mode. To change the voice mode, because now it's a so I only can play only one note. So to change the voice mode, shift, and then other menu, go other menu, and then this is the voice mode. Right now it's mono. Let's change it to quad. Then now, so you can get the multiple sound voices, but the oscillator 1 and the 2 are not doesn't have the same parameter. So to copy the oscillator 1's parameter to oscillator 2, hit the button 7, long time, and then it's now synchronized. The volume is too loud, so let's make it lower. To do it, shift and the mix, and then this one, it's a VCF volume, so let's lower it. And then I wanna make it's a velocity sensitive. Then to do it, to go other menu again, and then hit this velocity switch, then turn it off. Turn this on. Okay, so I think it's now. It's already kind of nice classic sound, and I want to make a bit of taste to it. So let's add a bit of pulse phase modulation to the oscillator 1 and the oscillator 2. Let's make a bit of difference between the oscillators. And go to VCF and then set a bit of a key follow to the filter and set just bit of LFO modulation to the filter, and then maybe just bit of vibrato. So let's see. So LFO rate is too high, so let's go LFO menu and then lower the rate, or there is a shortcut here, the same thing. And then let's add some effect at the end. I wanna set some chorus. Maybe still the LFO to the filter modulation is a bit high, so or the rate is a bit too fast still. And then put some wheel modulation here. I think that's it for today.